Hi, I'm Nicole and this is the first video for Week 1, Topic 1, Arithmetic and Algebra. This is the first video of 6 videos for this topic and looks at integers. These videos are intended to help you with the basis in arithmetic and algebra that you will need for future topics in this course. It's recommended that you watch this video with your pen and paper and pause at the relevant times to try the examples for yourself. Integers. So integers are whole numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. These are numbers with no fractions or decimal places. We often refer to these as whole numbers. So have a try of work example 1.1.1 below. Which of the following are integers? If we have a look at A, we can see 4. 4 is a whole number. This one's definitely an integer. For B, 2.5. So here we have this 0.5. It's not a whole number, therefore it's not an integer. For C, we have 1. Yes, this one's an integer. For D, we have 4.5. We have this extra half. It's not a whole number, it's not an integer. For E, we have 0. This one is a whole number. And for F, -64. Again, this is a whole number. Don't let the negative sign confuse you there. Next, we're looking at negative integers. Sorting positive integers into an order generally doesn't cause too many problems. So here, if we look at work example 1.1.2, which is larger, 1 or 10? So most of you should have chosen 10. This is right, this one is definitely larger. But if we look at work example 1.1.3, which is larger, -1 or -10? This one's a little bit more complicated to think about. The easiest way to think about this is looking at our number line. We put 0 on here and we had 1, 2, all the way to 10. We knew 10 was larger than 1. If we go here on our negative side, -1, -2, all the way down to -10. And if we look at this, we can say, well, here -1 is obviously larger than -10. And if we think of them as temperatures, if we have -1 degrees Celsius or -10 degrees Celsius, we know that -1 is warmer than -10. Therefore, -1 is larger than -10.